All right, so we are going to learn the first step in dealing with adding and subtracting very large integers. And that first step is to estimate. Okay, so they look big and scary. The first thing you always want to do in a math problem is make it look less big and scary. So let's say we have 22 minus 49. Big and scary. If it's not big and scary, that's cool. But for many of you, it probably is. Let's make it less big and scary. So we know how to round numbers to the nearest tenth. So let's start by doing that. Let's change it to 20 minus 50 because 49 is almost 50, 22 is almost 20. So we rounded this down to 20. We rounded this up to 50. So if we're looking at it that way, it's almost just like subtracting 5 from 2, or 2 minus 5. So when we look at it like that, it's quite a bit easier. And we can do that to estimate. And then the next thing we do is we use the number line just like we would normally. And you can draw a number line. That's just like this, where you go by tens, count by tens instead of counting by ones. It can be very helpful for your estimating. So we can go to the right 20, and then we go to the left 50. And if you need to count out while you do that, 10, 20, and we go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. We end up at negative 30. Now, maybe that's not the exact answer, but it's going to get you pretty close. And now what I want to show you is how you can use this to your advantage. Maybe if you're in a test, anything like that, then you might not even know how to subtract a large numbers like this, but you might still be able to get the answer right. And we're going to do a worksheet where that's going to be your job. So we'll go here, and let's say 21 minus 33. So let's try that on our big counting by tens number line. 21 minus 33. So we can round it, and we say we'll round 21 down to 20, and we'll round 33 down to 30. Okay? And then we would know that we go to the right 20, and then we go to the left 30. And we end up around negative 10. Now, it's not going to be exactly negative 10, the answer to this. It's going to be something close to that, though. And we know that because we estimated well. So, with just that estimation, could we maybe even get the answer to this right? We know it should be about negative 10. 12, positive 12, that's not close to negative 10, is it? 54, that's quite far from negative 10. Negative 12, that's pretty close. Negative 54, that's not close. So negative 12 is close to 10. And hey, look, I clicked on it in the teacher mode, and it is telling us, hey, that's actually the right answer. So if you are struggling with adding and subtracting really big integers like this, make it easy for yourself. Make it estimation, and then after you're good at doing that, then we'll talk about getting the exact answer. Okay?